Today, I'm reviewing the Lumenate app, an innovative tool that's been getting a lot of attention for its unusual approach to meditation. Unlike traditional apps that rely only on audio or guided sessions, Luminate uses your phone's flashlight combined with sound to create an immersive, altered state experience. The app works by using stroboscopic light and audio to entrain your brainwaves, helping you reach a state that many describe as somewhere between deep meditation and a psychedelic journey. With your eyes closed, the flashing light creates vivid visuals, while the synchronized audio guides you deeper into relaxation and reflection. For people who struggle with traditional meditation, this can be a real game changer. It keeps the mind engaged while still allowing you to disconnect. Another highlight is the guided sessions. You'll find options for relaxation, stress relief, and even sleep, often paired with soothing voiceovers and calming music. Many users especially enjoy the guided meditations narrated by actress Rosamund Pike, which adds an extra layer of depth and professionalism. Interestingly, people with aphantasia, a condition where they can't form mental images, have reported seeing visuals for the very first time through this app. But there are some drawbacks. Access to the full library requires a subscription, and some reviewers feel it's on the pricey side. The app also works best under specific conditions. You need a dark or dimly lit room, headphones, and in some cases, you may find it awkward to hold your phone at the right angle. Most importantly, safety is a big concern. The flashing light can trigger seizures for those with photosensitive epilepsy, so Luminate includes clear medical disclaimers. It's not a substitute for therapy, but many users find it powerful for self-reflection, journaling, and relaxation. Final verdict. If you're curious about exploring altered states of consciousness in a safe digital format, Luminate is definitely worth trying, especially with its free trial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more reviews.